tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me.
Okay, so this is live from Dubai.
I guess you have.
لبك عاشقي يقول لي قورنا هيقول لي تشينو هيقول لها كيمو سيدا لا غيران لي حكو قولوا لي لا بدينو ليلي ما صلي السماء لبك عاشقي يقول لي قورنا هيقول لي تشينو هيقول لها كيمو
By the Union House, that's the place UAE they celebrated their first Independence Day. And then if you are very lucky, you can say hi for the Sheikh here. We do photos to Dubai Sheikh Mohammed Palace.
Okay.
Sheikh Mohammed Palace is one of the nicest landmark. And then we continue to the all part of Dubai. We do photo stop at the creek and also the historical Fahidi neighborhood. We do a small orientation plus the first washroom stop.
Oh, okay.
Dubai Museum due to the pandemic is closed. So we do only the photo stop there and then water taxi ride. We do it for 2 times, Bar Dubai to Dera and Dera to Bar Dubai.
Okay.
Dubai Creek is natural. It's actually the brackish salt water. So that dividing this emirate into 2 sections. The airport where you came, that's the Dera Dubai, and your hotel, this location is Bar Dubai. So today we do the water taxi ride from Bar Dubai to Dera and Dera Dubai to Bar Dubai.
Okay.
And the last 3 destination, Spice Souk and the Gold Souk, both markets actually they are flea markets. So there is no set price. You can negotiate as you like.
Okay.
And also there are also some wholesalers if you're looking like the fabrics or textile.
Yeah, we actually want to go there, so
Yeah, and because
we might just get off from
and
there.
these wholesalers also, if you want to get something, you can ask for the discount. And also wholesalers, they accept exchange policy like the shopping malls.
Okay.
So if you buy something, if you want to exchange, you can do it with the wholesale people.
Oh, in the Gold Souk?
Yeah, only particularly the wholesalers.
The wholesalers.
Even the wholesalers, if you want to get something, you have to negotiate.
Okay.
So the last, have you been to the Dubai Mall?
We are below the ocean, right?
Yeah, we are below the ocean.
Wow.
This tunnel was built by the Dutch and the Belgian companies.
Wow.
They are the experts.
Yeah, jump.
Thank you. Woo. What did you call this place again?
Atlantis the farm.
Okay.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
I'm gonna make it.
I am Bayode, the developer. In case you enjoyed that content, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you again. Peace out. Thank you.